Hey everybody, in my previous video I talked about you switching your class over to fourth quarter. So since we have quarter classes, instead of having Amanda go in and manually do all of our classes, if you feel up to it, you can go ahead and change your courses to be fourth quarter. If you have an all-year class like band and choir, obviously you will not have to do this. But for anyone that has quarter classes, you'll click on courses. You'll come over here to where it says My Courses. You'll click on the course that you want to change. You'll click Edit. So you click that little gear icon and then Edit. And then down here, it will be grayed out, but you can still click on it. So you can unclick third quarter if you want. I left third quarter clicked on mine just so I didn't accidentally lose something that I didn't want to lose. And then also click fourth quarter. And then click Save, and then you're done. And you'll do that for any class that you want to do that with. So make sure you scroll all the way down. Make sure you click on the 2019-2020 school year, because you'll see all of the years that you have been teaching at West Clermont that you've used Schoology available to you. So make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom and click on that fourth quarter. And like you can see, it's grayed out. But you can still click the little checkbox over here. So you can unclick it, you can click it, and click Save, and then you're done. My Spanish is all year, so I don't have to do anything with that one. So if you need help with that, shout out to me via email or text. Again, my phone number is 513-368-4337. Thanks, everybody. Bye.